I really get jacked up about this. This morning when I was doing my devotions, well, actually with my family, it was like, I don't know how to say it. Okay, let's just put it this way. Okay, when you talk in faith, you can move mountains. I mean, whatever you say can and will be done if you just go after it. But the same is true if you talk about doubt, or if you speak in doubt. You know, there's a story in the Bible, story of Jairus' daughter, and in that story, Jesus tells him, you know, he's going to come to his house because his daughter's sick. Well, along the way, a servant comes and says, don't even bother the guy anymore. Your daughter's dead. There's no hope left for her, etc., etc. And Jesus tells him, only believe. And when he gets to the house, there's all these people in mourning. And those people that are in mourning are, you know, when he tells them, don't worry, she's, you know, don't cry, she's only sleeping, then the thing that happens is they start laughing at him. You don't know what you're talking about. You know, she's dead. Can't you see? And basically, Jesus says, get out of here. Because doubt and faith cannot exist in the same space. And he takes all of the unbelievers and unbelief out of the room, and then he raises the girl from the dead. Now, in your life, what you got to do is take out all of the doubt and unbelief, whether that's coming from you or whether that's coming from somebody else. You tell them, no, you know, don't speak like that. This is what's going to happen, and you just be quiet. If it's coming from you, you tell yourself, no, this is what has to happen. You be quiet, because we're going to get it done. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, and we'd love to interact with you over on any of those platforms. And wow, check out our TubeBuddy link below, and if it fits you or suits you, go ahead and download it, and I'm sure it'll help you a lot. It has helped me in the past, and I'm sure it will continue to help me in the future. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.